Okay, so open the app and you're straight in at your inbox. You would touch the green box for add item, hold your phone over the receipt or the invoice, in this case an invoice, and select either single mode, which is for a single document to be submitted with a single photo, or multiple mode, which is each picture being uploaded as a separate document, or combine mode, which is multiple pictures being taken to capture one document spread over multiple pages. So, for example, an invoice that has got 5 pages or 6 pages or many more actually. So in this case, we're taking a single photo. So then touch the white circle at the bottom and there's our image. And then I would then touch the orange submit word, top right hand side of the screen. Straight away, the image has been sent to Receipt Bank, and as you can see, it's being extracted as one item. If I then select that, you can see a little tiny thumbnail image of the photo I've just taken and the word extracting to show that Receipt Bank is extracting the items. As you can see at the top, there's the inbox, which is what we're in now, which is selected in orange, and there's the grey archive. If I were to touch the archive, you'll see all of the historical invoices and receipts that have been extracted. Go back to the inbox and there we are, extracting just the one item again. And there we go, that's the main features.